This is Village Auto's 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Crew Cab with a Z71 off-road four-wheel drive package, Shortbox. Absolutely gorgeous one-owner truck, accident-free, verified through auto check. With the tow package, spray and bed liner, tonneau cover, rear park assist, alloy wheels, privacy glass, chrome step bars. Very, very well maintained truck. This one does come equipped with a 5.3 liter Vortec V8 along with the automatic transmission. Absolutely incredible deal for only $13,880. Let's get inside here for you. This one is a cloth interior. Still looks like brand new. You do have the full power options. Power driver's side seat, folding center console, brings to a 6-passenger truck. FM CD player with the USB and auxiliary inputs. Dual automatic climate control. Adjustable foot pedals. The 4-wheel drive switch with the auto feature, tow haul mode, auto stick feature, steering wheel audio controls along with cruise. You also have the OnStar, home link. All together very clean, very well maintained one-owner truck that runs and drives out absolutely perfect. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2012 Chevrolet Silverado home with you today.